ito na. I wanna apologize kasi I enabled talking with code names. I enabled talking na nag-usap tayo na fairy tale. That was wrong. That's my fault. Kasi instead na sabihin ko talaga sa'yo yung totoo kong nararamdaman, ginawa ko pang parang story time. And syempre, bakit natin ginawa yun nang alam naman natin Kuya Sayo is listening? I'm sorry because pinaglaruan ko pa talaga yung totoo kong nararamdaman sa'yo. I went through a difficult route to try and get what I wanted from you, which is to have a genuine connection with you. Pero I